In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use UTM parameters in HubSpot. We'll walk through how to create trackable URLs inside HubSpot, how to capture UTM values through forms, and how to use that data to better understand campaign performance. Start by opening HubSpot. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to Settings. This is where you'll manage the tracking setup for your URLs and the form properties that help store UTM data. Inside Settings, click on Tracking and Analytics, and then choose External Web URLs. This area is designed for building links that include UTM parameters, which are the tags added to a URL so you can identify where traffic is coming from. Next, click Create External Web URL. You'll be prompted to enter your destination URL, which is the page you actually want people to land on. After that, select the appropriate HubSpot campaign. This is important because it keeps your tracking organized and ties the link back to a broader marketing effort. From there, assign a source and then fill in your medium, term, and content values. These fields help define exactly how the traffic should be categorized. For example, source usually identifies where the visitor came from, while medium describes the channel. Term and content can add more detail for keywords, audience segments, or creative variations. Try to keep your naming consistent so your reports stay clean and easy to interpret. Once everything looks right, click Create. HubSpot will generate the completed tracking URL for you. At that point, you can copy either the full version or a shortened version to use in external posts, ads, email campaigns, print materials, or anywhere else you want trackable traffic. To make sure those UTM values can be stored on contact records, go back into Settings, then open Properties and click Create Property. You'll want to create custom contact properties for the UTM fields you plan to capture. When setting these up, make sure the property type is single line text and allow the property to appear in forms. That matters because the values will be passed through the form submission. Next, open your form builder by going to Marketing and then Forms. Edit the form you want to use and drag your new UTM properties onto it. After adding them, click each UTM field and set it to hidden. That way, visitors won't see those fields, but HubSpot can still capture the values from the URL automatically when the form is submitted. You can also track automatic HubSpot email UTMs, which is useful for measuring email-driven traffic without having to build every link manually. Finally, analyze campaign performance inside HubSpot. Once your links and forms are set up correctly, you'll be able to review which sources, mediums, and campaigns are generating visits, leads, and conversions more effectively.